what skills I need to develop or to probably join the games industry?
Skills can be anything. Even you can be a simply, a sketch artist to a storyteller. I have a guy who just tells story. He doesn't even write stories. He just tells story as other people capture, but he's very, very fertile. You give him a subject, you give him a topic, he'll actually create the entire story. So in fact, I have, once I actually noted down 281 different job profiles are there in the video game industry alone. So you can be anything. You tell me what you like and I'll tell you how you can fit.